Hi everyone. Today we discussed about the working principle of DC motor. Motor that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. The input of the motor is electrical energy. The output of the motor is mechanical energy. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A machine that converts direct current into mechanical work is called a DC motor. The motor works on principle that says a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field. The conductor experiences a force. This is the working principle of DC motor. Now we are explaining the working principle of DC motor with the following in this diagrams. In this we are having four diagrams. The first diagram represents, the figure A represents magnet that consists of a magnet. The flux passes from north pole to south pole. The figure B represents a current carrying conductor. Normally a current flows through the conductor. A magnetic field produced around the conductor. The current carrying conductor represents in plus sign. The plus sign represents the current flows through the conductor. The current direction of the magnetic field are identified by using the thumb rule. In the thumb rule, thumb represents in current direction. The remaining folding finger represents the direction of the magnetic field. So the plus sign represents the current flow through the conductor. So the folding finger represents the direction of the magnetic field, that is represented by the thumb rule. Now we are keeping the current carrying conductor in the magnetic field, that is represented in the figure 3. In this figure 3, one side of the conductor, the flux produced by the magnet and the flux produced by the conductor, both are in same direction. That is, the left side of the conductor, flux produced by the conductor and the flux produced by the magnet, both are in same direction. So both fluxes are added together. So in this place we are having a high flux density. The other side of the conductor, that is right side of the conductor, the flux produced by the magnet and the flux produced in the conductor, both are in opposite direction. So both are cancel with each other. The resultant flux are there. So in the right side of the conductor you are having less amount of flux density. So now the conductor moves from high flux density side to low flux density side. This is only for one conductor. In DC motor, armature is the rotating part. The armature is having more number of conductors. So we are having more force created, so the armature will rotate. So DC motor works on the principle of Fleming left hand rule. The Fleming left hand rule says you are keeping thumb, forefinger and the middle finger keep perpendicular to each other. Here the forefinger represents the direction of the magnetic field. Then middle finger represents the direction of the current. Then thumb represents the motion of the conductor. So in the DC motor, first we have to produce the magnetic field. Then we keep the current carrying conductor in the magnetic field. So it experiences a force. The conductor move. So that's why the Fleming left hand rule used in the DC motor. Thank you. Thank you to all.